Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to plot a bar graph within a cell. So as you can see here, I've got some data for some of the leading tech companies, their sales numbers starting from 2018 to 2022 from column C to column G. And in column H, we want to plot the trend for each of them. So how do we do that? Select the cell where you want the trend to be plotted. Go to Insert tab, and here you can see Sparklines, and in there you can select column. So once you select column, choose the data that you want, basically the data range. So this is my data range for the cell, and location range is by default the cell that you have selected. Click OK, and there you go. You have the trend. So if you drag it to the bottom, you get the trend for each of the four rows. So that's how you insert a bar chart. You can also insert a line chart in similar fashion. Right, go to insert and you have the line option here. So hope you like this video. Thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next video.